events in Gaza must have some consequence on our lives. Something has to change. I remember a sister, as thankful as I am to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He has guided me back to my religion and repentance. After so many years of sleep, I am thankful. But I am guilty inside that it took so many children in Gaza to die for me to find my Islamic awakening. Our guilt is not just because we're unable to change their circumstance. Our guilt is also because we are unwilling to change our circumstance. You have seen so many lives that have come to an end there in Palestine and elsewhere. Why is my Islamic life yet to begin? So many homes were shattered. Is it not time now that I build my home in Jannah because of it? Our guilt comes that we are unable and still unwilling to change our lives despite what is happening there. So if you are weeping, my brother, with due respect, you are crying because of what you are seeing, but the tears are not going to change your life, then with all due respect, please spare us of your tears. The ummah doesn't need them today. But if these tears are going to have some change on your life, some change on your dress, my sister, some change in your business, your trade, your relationships, your public and private appearance, then allow those tears to flow. Because how welcome and how righteous are those tears.